I like that she's just like staring off into space and the ocean, you know?
Yeah.
Like you're like, what is she thinking about?
Right.
At that time. So much bullshit to think about. Like, so much patriarchal bullshit.
I need to do more research. Yeah.
Wow.
But she could be thinking about having left, or maybe she is at her destination and she's like, I'm here.
I escaped. Wow, I kind of love it, but it's $180.
Dang.
Okay, I'm gonna think about it. I want some like grown-up art. Or just frame life and shit that I have.
My eyebrows.
Hi, Lady Gaga.
Do you have a dog or a cat? Because she usually doesn't approach people who don't have pets.
Yeah. My friend has a cat, and then my sister has a dog named Richard, so maybe
Yeah, she smells.
she smell Richard.
Yeah, if you don't have a pet, she won't come to you.
Oh. Yeah.
She's kind of timid when it comes to people. She was tossed out of a car on Halloween.
I know.
She's only about almost a year now.
Oh no.
Yeah, you're a puppy. Yeah, you're a good dog.
You have a lot of turquoise.
Yeah. Oh,
I have
beautiful.
one turquoise.
Oh,
You have many.
Yeah, I make jewelry and I collect jewelry. This is a work in progress right now. It's not finished.
Wow.
And let's see. This is sea urchin, and this is a famous a lady who makes snakes wrapped with the turquoise. This is my best piece right here. That's was purchased through the window of a steam-powered Atchison, Topeka, Santa Fe train.
Wow.
For a silver dollar, and this is made out of coin silver, so it's not sterling silver.
Yeah.
And you'd have to go to like a museum to see a ring like that.
You're the museum.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm
You're
so
wearing the
like art
artifacts.
buffs. Oh yeah. I've had people come up to me and say, "Give me your rings." I say, "Give me your teeth."
Oh.
I don't mess around.